In this video, I want to show you a simple way that you can use to monetize any kind of traffic that you have and start making money almost immediately. My name is Goodnoel, and if you like videos like this, please subscribe. So if you have a social media account like a TikTok account, a Facebook account, an Instagram account, or you have any form of traffic like a blog, anything at all that you are getting some kind of traction, or you want to start getting some kind of traction, but you want to monetize it almost immediately, this video is going to be very helpful to you, because this platform I want to introduce to you would make it completely easy for you to monetize almost immediately. So this website is called Monetag, and Monetag is simply a website that helps you or allows you to monetize the view content, or the content you have. When people view it, you'll be able to actually make money. So I'm going to walk you through this platform and show you exactly how you can register and how you can generate links and start earning with this website. Before we begin, another important thing about this website is that they have a high CPM, which simply means how much you get paid for every 1,000 views. So their CPM is actually decent, and the reason why it is decent is because they do not support adult content and they do not support sketchy, spammy kind of content. So they work with very top brands that actually pay good amount of money. So I'm going to show you proof to that, and I'm going to show you examples of that. And with that, let us go into the back end, or let me show you how you can create this account and how you can start monetizing it with Monetag. So the first thing you need to do is, if you check the description of the video, I'll put the link to Monetag so that you can create an account. So creating an account is completely free, and once you click on that link in the description of the video, it's going to bring you to this website. Alternatively, you can just go to monetag.com, and this is the website that you need to register on. So if you come here, the first thing is the ads format. So the ads format, these are the different kind of ads that you can put on different kind of traffic sources that you have. So they have smart link that is great for social media traffic. Like you can put them on reels, you can put them on posts, you can put them on any kind of videos that you make on social media. So we have pop under. This is going to do very well for blogs and articles. We have push notification, we have vignette banner, we have in-page push, and all of them. So you want to create an account, and creating an account is completely straightforward and free. So you want to come here, click on start earning, and you can just use your email or your Google account. So I'm going to use Google because Google is usually easier for me. So I'm just going to click on continue with Google. So you want to select the Gmail account that you want to use to create this account, and you want to give it the permission that it needs. So after that, you come here and you want to put your name and your information. So I'm an individual, so I'm going to use an individual. If you want to use a company, you can use a company, but I'm an individual, so I'm going to use an individual. So you put your name and you want to select your country of residence. So these guys, they accept people from basically all parts of the world. So you just want to select your country and join. So I am from Nigeria, so I'm going to select somewhere here called Nigeria. So you are going to select your city, and my city is Lagos. So you want to select your city, you want to put your address. So I'm just going to include a dummy address right here. So you can add a messenger if you wanted, but this is completely optional. So you can just skip that, and you want to click on continue. So the moment you click on continue, you would be allowed inside of the platform. So inside of the platform, the first thing you need to do is to read their policy. So I'm going to attach some of the policies here. But the very simple thing is that this website, they do not support adult content, and they do not support fraudulent ways of generating traffic like self-click, boot click, and all of that. So everything you want to do here, you will have to do it legitimately so that you can earn legitimately. But the first thing you need to do also after reading this policy is to set up your payment method. And another good thing with these people is that they give you plenty options for you to withdraw your earnings. So you can use PayPal, you can use Payoneer, you can use Skrill, you can use cryptocurrency. So you want to select the one that suits you the most. Personally, I am a cryptocurrency guy, so I would select cryptocurrency. And all you have to do here is basically just select your cryptocurrency address that you want to use. So you can use TRC20 or USDT BP20. These ones, the transaction fees are usually cheaper, but you can basically select anyone you want. So if you want a Bitcoin, all you have to do is copy your Bitcoin address and put it right here. So you can get these addresses from MetaMask, Binance, Trust Wallet, or any cryptocurrency wallet app. So once you bring it here, you can just put it here and click on save. That's the first thing you need to do, because you need to secure your money and you want to receive your money. So these guys, they also pay you every week. All right, so they pay weekly, and which is a good thing. And they also have a minimum of $5 payout if you are withdrawing through PayPal. This means that if you earn $5, you can withdraw it. So sometimes some of these platforms, they do not allow you withdraw this kind of small amount of money, but Monetag will allow you to withdraw $5. However, for cryptocurrency, you can see that the minimum is actually $100. So you have to wait for $100 until before you withdraw using cryptocurrency. So once you have your payment set up, you want to come right here where we have statistics. And statistics simply means, or this is where you can see how everything you have created is doing. So I created this link, as you can see, on the 24th just to test it. And this is the CPM, which is 0.26 cents. So far, it has gotten just one impression because I made this link just to create this video. So before we start creating link, you can also add your website. So if you have a website and you want to create different kind of banners, you can just come here, click on add a website, and you can just put your website URL and then add it. They will verify it, and then you can create banner codes that you can put across all of your websites to monetize the website. So if you have a Telegram mini app, you can come to Telegram mini app here, and you can just put the name of your Telegram app and then also generate codes that you can put on your Telegram app to monetize it. Again, this simply means every time people come to any of your social media pages, they view your content, they can see ads and you can earn money. So here, the direct link, this is where you see all the direct links that you have created, and you can see all their statistics right here. So for payments, this is where you see all the payments that you have received. So you can see your total balance. These are the money you've earned since your last payment. You can see the balance that they are holding, that they are yet to pay, and you can see all the amounts that you have withdrawn. So here, this is where you see again all the earnings that you have made. So if you come to insights here, you see things that they've provided to help you understand how to monetize your site and everything better. They also have a referral program where you can like refer people and earn commissions from them. So you can actually earn up to 5% from people who join the platform through your own referral link. They also have a priority program where, depending on how much you earn, you will get some like priority help. All right, so that's that. The moment you are done, you want to come to the main thing, which is how to generate the links that you would use to actually start earning on this platform, because without these links you cannot earn anything. So again, if you come down here, you see some of the links that we have created and all of the breakdown. So to create a new link here, you want to come here, click on create, and you want to select the kind of link that you want to create. So if you want it to go to a website, you can create it, but I've not added any website, so I would need to add a website to access those kind of links on the website. So In my next video, I'm going to talk about how to add a website and stuff like that, and how to generate the links and put them on that website. So if you want to check this platform out, just check the link in the description and create an account so that you can follow this video. So if you have a Telegram app, it's the same thing, but I'm going to focus on the social traffic. So for social traffic, you don't need to add anything. All you have to do is just come here, click on get link. So as you can see, a direct link has been created immediately. So as you can see, this is the link right here, and you can copy this link. So if you copy this link, let me just show you how to see the kind of adverts we have on this website. So if you copy the link and then you come here, you paste the link, you would see the adverts that people would see. So this is how you know that they are promoting good product. And this is Xness. Xness is a very popular trading app, which means this is not a spam site, it is not a scam link, and they actually pay a lot of money because trading is under finance, and finance is a very big money industry. So this is the link you would be promoting for people to land on, and for every time people land on it, that's how they see ad, and if they see adverts, then you can make money. So if you click on the statistics, you will now see the total amount you've made and the total amount of people who have viewed the or who have seen adverts using that link. So it is very, very easy to monetize your traffic using this website. So I hope this video has been helpful, and if you want to try out the website, I'm going to put the link in the description. You can ask me any questions if you have any questions, and subscribe to the YouTube channel if this video has been helpful. My name is Good Noel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.